How to use slash commands in Discord. Want a faster, cleaner way to use boot commands or built-in Discord features? Slash commands make it easy to trigger actions without memorizing long prefixes. Let me show you how. Let's jump in. First things first, open the Discord app or go to discord.com in your browser and log in. Now, open any chat or channel. Go to any text channel or DM where you want to use a command. Start by typing slash in the message box. This will bring up a list of available commands. Scroll through the list or start typing the command name to filter results. Commands can be from Discord itself like /gphy or /nick or from bots in the server. Some commands need extra information like a username, channel name, or shortstorm. Fill out the fields as prompted. Hit enter or click the command to send it and watch it work its magic. Tips: slash commands with helpful descriptions and options, making it easy even for beginners. You can use slash help to see available commands for bots in the server. If a command doesn't appear, check if the bot is online or if you have permission to use it. And that's how you use slash commands on Discord. Quick, easy, and powerful. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you'll never miss an update. See you in the next one.